All right, this is a 40 horse 7 root. That's the serial number. And you got 4 9/16. This is to remove the lower unit to change the water pump. You got 4 9/16 bolts right here, 2 here, 2 right here. Then you have a 5/8 right there. And unlike the Mercury, you don't have to worry about the skeg there because it splits a little further up on the leg. But here's where you have to be careful, because I've seen some bad advice already on YouTube. One, you got to do the shift shaft separation right there. No, you don't pull the carburetors or any of that garbage. You remove the starter motor, just let it hang, make sure the battery is disconnected, and then right down inside there, you see those where my finger is? Right there, there used to be a pin. It's right there. That's a 3/8 pin. The bearing surface is that larger diameter. It's threaded into the other side. And when that pin comes out, the shift shaft can be released and pulled down through the tower. So that's what you got to know.